A distributed control system, or DCS, is essential for automating complex industrial processes, but its successful commissioning requires careful planning and attention to detail. First, hardware installation needs to be precise. The right sensors, controllers, and I/O devices must be in place. Power supply is another critical factor. Without stable power, even the best system can fail. Network connectivity is equally important. A well established communication network ensures data flows seamlessly across the system. Next, comprehensive I/O checks are essential to verify proper device operation. Without this step, undetected issues can cause significant problems down the line. Software configuration also plays a key role. Correct setup ensures all devices work together efficiently. Site conditions should be optimal, including suitable environmental factors and reliable process equipment. Finally, skilled and trained personnel are vital to the commissioning process. By following a well-documented plan and ensuring all conditions are met, your DCS will be up and running smoothly.